Hello everyone, you're welcome to Legal Right Academy. Hi, it's good to have you here today on the Academy. I remain your host, Kelechi Patrick. Before we dive into our topic for today, please don't forget to like the channel, comment. I want to see your comments in the comment section. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel by clicking on that small bell. You subscribe so that whenever I upload new video, YouTube will do well to notify you. So what's our topic for today? The topic for today is wrongful transfer of money. How to reverse same. Let me break it down. When you wrongfully transfer money to another person other than the person you intend to transfer the money to, how do you reverse same back into your account? The first thing you should quickly do is note down the details of the person you wrongfully transferred the money to. The person's name, the account details. You'll quickly rush to the person's bank, notify them of the wrongful transfer. Now the bank will tell you that you should go and get a court order. How do you prepare this court order? It's by filing an application before the court. Now in your application, you must state what you want the court to do for you. In preparing the application, you must include the person's name, the person's account details, the exact amount which you wrongfully transferred to the person. Then your own details too should be included in the application. Your details such as your name, your bank details, so that when the order is granted, they would reverse the money back into your account. Now, the bank of the person should be included in the application. When you're heading the application, the heading should be your name, because you are the applicant here. Then the person's bank should be the respondent, and the person whom you wrongfully transferred the money to should also be a respondent, even though that it is the bank that you are going to serve. Now when you prepare all this, your prayer should be the bank should transfer the money back, should order the bank, the court should order the bank to transfer the money back into your account that was wrongfully transferred to the person. Then peradventure, the person has withdrawn parts of the money. The court should order that the remaining balance, the remaining money in the person's account should be transferred back into your account. And whenever money comes into the account, the bank should transfer same into your account till you are able to recover your money. Now after you have prepared this application, you have to go and file it in the courts which you want to hear. You want the courts at which you want the application to be heard. You go and file it in the courts. Then after filing, remember that in your application you have to make it urgent. You have to include an affidavit of urgency. Yes, telling the court that if the court does not grant the application quickly, the person is going to withdraw all the money from the account and you'll be left with nothing. So after filing it, once the court sees your application with the affidavit of urgency, they will quickly fix a short date. It might be the next day. This is an urgent application. Then you have to serve. Maybe you file the application in court. You have to serve the bank, the bank immediately. Don't wait till the next day. You serve immediately. After service, you bring back the copy of the service to the courts. Then the next day, your application will be heard. Immediately, the court hears your application. The court, after hearing your application, will grant an order for the money to be reversed back to your account that was wrongfully transferred. Then you have to go and serve the bank. The order of the court is very important. If you don't serve the bank, the order of the court. So how will the bank know that they have to reverse the money back into your account? So once you get the order of the court, you quickly go and serve it on the bank. Once the bank sees the court's order, they will reverse the money. If the exact amount that you wrongfully transfer is still in the person's account, they will reverse it back into your account. But if it's lesser, the person has withdrawn parts, they will still reverse the balance back into your account. They will place a lien on the account. They will place a lien on the account, meaning that the person, whenever money comes into the person cannot withdraw money from his or her account. Yes, because a lien has been placed. The person cannot withdraw, but the person can pay into. So when the person pay money into the account, the bank will transfer same into your account until you are able to recover your money. Then the bank will now remove the lien from the person's account. So that's the process. But it is advisable that you get a lawyer to do that for you. For easy accessibility, it's advisable to get a lawyer to prepare the application, to file the application, to come before the court and pray the court to grant the application. It's always advisable to get a lawyer to do that for you. Okay, so I do hope someone has gained knowledge from our topic of today. Remember, knowledge is powerful, and ignorance of the law is never an excuse. So till I come your way next time. But before you go, please don't forget to like the channel. I want to see your comments. Say something. It's an encouragement to me to know that I'm impacting the lives of people, teaching them about law, teaching them about their legal rights. And don't forget to subscribe and send the channel link to people out there. They need to know what is happening, just the way you're learning. Invite them. They should come and also learn from this academy. And you know what? Just like I always tell you in this academy, stay away from crime. It does not pay. It diminishes your reputation. And stay away from those people who enjoy committing crime. Stay away from them, so that when the wrath of the law catches up with them, you will never be a victim. Because you mean a lot to me in this academy. So till I come your way next time, thanks and God bless you. Bye for now.